Imagine you're ordering food online. You place your order. A few minutes later, the restaurant receives it. The delivery partner picks it up, and somehow the food arrives exactly at your door. How did the delivery partner know where to deliver it? Did he know your building? Did he know your city? The answer is simple. To deliver the food successfully, he needed two pieces of information. First, the building address. Second, the apartment number. Without both, the delivery would fail. The internet works exactly the same way. Every time you open Google, YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp, data must first find your network and then find the exact device inside that network. That's where public IP addresses and private IP addresses come in. Let's say you have a laptop, a phone, a smart TV, a tablet, all connected to the same Wi Fi router. Now imagine Google wants to send data back. How does Google know which device requested it? Your laptop, your phone, your TV. That's the problem IP addressing solves. Private IP address. Inside your home network, every device gets its own address. Example, laptop has IP address, phone has IP address, TV has its IP address, tablet has its IP address. These are called private IP addresses. Think of them like apartment numbers inside a building, like apartment 101, 102, 103, 104. The apartment numbers help people inside the building identify each apartment. Similarly, private IP addresses help devices inside your local network identify each other. Now, let's look at the building itself. The building has only one address visible to the outside world. The delivery driver first finds the building. Only then can he find the apartment. Your router works the same way. Your internet service provider gives your router a public IP address. For example, this address is visible on the internet. Google can see it, YouTube can see it, every website can see it. Think of it as the building's address. Why we need both? Imagine a delivery driver receives only apartment 302. Can he deliver the food? No. He doesn't know which building. Now imagine he only receives building address. Can he deliver the food? No. He doesn't know which apartment. He needs both. Networking works exactly the same way. Public IP finds the network, private IP finds the device. Now imagine every delivery enters through a reception desk. The receptionist knows apartment 101, 102, 103, 104. When food arrives, the receptionist sends it to the correct apartment. Your router does exactly the same thing. This process is called NAT, Network Address Translation. For example, laptop has IP address 192.168.1.10. Router has 49.x.x.x. When the laptop opens Google, the router replaces the private IP address with public IP address. Now the packet can travel on the internet, so Google sees public IP address and not this private IP address. When Google responds, the router remembers which device requested the data and sends it back to the correct device. Imagine every phone, laptop, TV, tablet, and printer on earth needed its own public IP address. We would run out of addresses very quickly. Private IP addresses solve this problem. Hundreds of devices can share a single public IP address through NAT. A private IP address is used inside local networks. It is assigned by your router and is not visible on the internet. A public IP address is used on the internet. It is assigned by your internet service provider ISP and is visible on the internet. Think of it like food delivery. Building address is public IP, apartment number is private IP, reception desk is NAT, road network is internet. The delivery driver first finds the building, then finds the apartment. Similarly, data on the internet first finds your network using a public IP address and then finds the correct device using a private IP address. That's why both public and private IP addresses are needed.